Hey guys, it's Alex here. Today we're going to talk about basic greetings and ways to say goodbye in Russian. And let's start from the beginning of the day. To say good morning, we're going to need the word добрый, which simply means kind or good. Доброе утро. It takes the oye ending because утро is neuter. Добрый день. Good day or good afternoon. Добрый вечер. Good evening. And when we go to bed, we say спокойной ночи. Good night. But literally it means calm night. It's shortened for I wish you a calm night. Thus the genitive case. In Russian, the genitive case is often used with wishes. And now let's talk about other greetings, not related to the time of the day. Здравствуйте. This is the most formal greeting that you will normally use with people older than you, your boss, and strangers. You might want to think of it as hello sir or hello ma'am. You can also shorten the word and just say здрасте, but I wouldn't recommend using it very often, especially in writing. It just sounds much more casual. Maybe you could use it with your neighbors if you see them every day. You should only use здравствуйте when you're talking to someone you address as вы. When you address someone as ты, but you still want to keep it formal, for example, maybe it's your younger student, you can use another form of this word, здравствуй. For more casual situations, we normally go with привет. It just means hi, hey. Another informal greeting is здорово, and it's mostly used among men. Now let's talk about ways to say goodbye. До свидания. Very formal, mostly used in formal settings or with people you address as вы. До встречи. Pretty neutral, can be said to anyone. Literally means until meeting each other. Увидимся. Informal literally means we'll see each other. Пока. Casual, used with peers, friends, and family. До завтра. Neutral literally means until tomorrow, but I wouldn't use it in super formal settings. Давай. This one is becoming increasingly more popular. It doesn't really mean anything, but I guess you could translate it as, alright, continue with your life, see you around. You probably want to use it only when you're going to see this person soon. It's especially common when hanging up the phone. You can also combine it with the other farewells that we already talked about and occasionally throw in the word ладно, which means alright. Ладно, давай. Давай, пока. Давай, увидимся. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found out something new today. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Пока-пока.